semua, saya Nitya Rajni, anak perempuan sukenaran dari kelas DDT1B. Hari ini saya akan mengajar tentang tajuk 8 iaitu determine the constant of the integration. So, untuk constant, dia bagi soalan seperti ini. Find f(x) if f prime x sama dengan 2x tambah 3 dan f dalam kurungan 4 sama dengan 7. So, f prime x sama dengan 2x tambah 3 adalah gradient function dan 4 sama dengan 7. 4 sama dengan 7 adalah pointer on the curve dan 4 adalah x, 7 adalah y. Untuk selesai constant of the integration, kita ada 3 step, iaitu anti-differentiate, yang kedua substitute, yang ketiga adalah write the equation. So, anti-differentiate kita akan mengikut formula dy dx. So, untuk anti-differentiate kita kena tulis fx sama dengan 2x kuasa 2 dan bahagi dengan 2. Bahagi dengan 2 sebab apa? Dia ada kuasa 2. So, tambah dengan 3x tambah c. So, lepas itu kita kena bahagi 2 bahagi. So, yang tinggal adalah x kuasa 2 tambah 3x tambah c. Dan selesai untuk anti-differentiate. Untuk step kedua substitute, kita kena ada mengikut formula y sama dengan ax tambah c. So, y adalah 7 sama dengan x kuasa 2 4 kuasa 2 tambah, so kita ada 3 dan x adalah 4 dalam kurungan 4 tambah c. 4 kuasa 2 adalah 16 dan 3 darab 4 adalah 12 tambah c 7. Di sini kita dapat 16 tambah 12, kita dapat 28 tambah c dan c akan dipindah ke depan 7. So, c sama dengan 7 tolak 28, kita dapat negatif 21. So, dapat constant iaitu c adalah sama dengan negatif 21. So, yang last tu kita akan write the equation yang step ketiga. So, untuk write the equation, fx sama dengan x kuasa 2 tambah 3x tambah bukan, sebab kita dapat constant negatif 21. So, kita pun kena tulis negatif 21. Yang ni adalah jawapan untuk constant of the integration.
Selamat sejahtera kepada pensyarah dan rakan-rakan saya sekalian. Hari ini saya nak membentangkan tentang cara mencari c, iaitu constant dalam integration. Inilah contoh soalan yang saya dapati. Dalam integration ada 3 penting yang kena fokus. Pertamanya, kena guna formula integration. Keduanya adalah kita kena tahu membezakan ataupun menukar ke differentiation ke integration. Yang ketiga adalah masukkan nilai x dengan y untuk dapatkan constant. Ini adalah dalam differentiation. Sekarang saya nak tukar kepada integration. Dx tu akan pergi ke sini sebabkan darab. N adalah kita gantikan dengan 2. tambah C. Sekarang, kita akan masukkan nilai X dengan Y dengan menggunakan paksi. Koordinat DP. 1 merupakan X, 3 ialah Y. X1, 3 tambah 4. X kita ganti dengan 1 tambah C. Selesaikan yang ini. C dapat negatif 2. Sekarang kita buatkan persamaan untuk integrasi. Equationnya ialah kita kena ambil daripada yang ini.
Greetings, my name is King Sun Kit and I'll be continuing explaining on this topic, and this subtopic is going to be determining a curve equation from its gradient function. Okay, let's say a gradient function is dy dx equals 4x minus 5, and this gradient function's curve this mysterious curve passes through a coordinate. Let's say that coordinate is 3, 4. Okay, now with these two information, how exactly do we find its curve equation, this curve's equation? Now firstly, we have to express the y individually, because that's how a curve equation is expressed, with y. Now we remove everything here, remove everything like dx and d. Okay, from first dx from division into multiplication. So 4x times dx. And for the d here, how do we get rid of the d? D is differentiation. So the inverse of differentiation is integration. So from d to I. Now we're left with this. We're left with integrating the function here. Now, firstly, for x, the power of x is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and we have to divide the number of this power. So by 4x power by 2 over 2. Now for 5 here, 5. The x of 5 here is actually 0. Even though it's not here, but it's actually there. It's 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So x will now exist here because the x is 1 now. And for balancing out the y, the y here, the curve equation, we have to plus a constant. That's the rule of integration. Now we're left with this. We can actually simplify this because 4 can divide by 2, right? So the answer is 2x minus 5x plus c. We haven't actually completed yet because we haven't found the value of c. This is an incomplete curve equation. How do we find the c? How do we find the equation of this curve? Prior to what we said just now, this curve passes through this random point, this coordinate. So we can implement this coordinate into our incomplete equation, because okay, this is x, this is y. Now we can implement now. So y is 4 and the x is 3. Alright, now we can finally find what c is. Okay, with simple mathematical calculations, c is now 1. Now we can actually complete the curve equation now with this incomplete one. So we add the value of c. So y equals 2x minus 5x plus 1. And this is the answer. Thank you, and that's all from me.
Good day, My name is InShot, and today I will be finding the equation of the curve from the gradient function. So here we have the gradient function, and we need one more information to find the equation of the curve, which is a point where the curve crosses, such as for A. So now that we have the information, the first thing we need to do is integrate the gradient function. So how to integrate? You take the dx and pass it over to the right. So you get integrate dy equals to integrate 2x minus 3 dx. So now if we integrate dy, you get y. And if we integrate 2x, x has a power of 1. So you add 1 to the power. And the new power, the x will be divided by the new power, such as 2x squared add 1 to the power, then divided by the new power, which is 2. Now 3 has a hidden x to the power of 0. So you just add 1 to the power of 0, you get x power of 1, which in result gets 3x. And then we add the constant of integration. The constant of integration means that the y-intercept of the y-axis, where the curve intercepts the y-axis. So now we need to find the c. So how do we find the c? So I'm just going to cross over here. To find c, we need to insert these values into the equation, like this, like so. So 8 is y, then 8 we insert into y, the 4 we insert into x. So you get 8 equals to 2 times 4 squared over 2 minus 3 times 4 plus c. So the 2 cancels out, so you get, and you have 4 squared equals to 16. So equals to 16 minus 3 times 4 equals to 12 plus c. This is basic maths. I'm just going to speed through this. So 16 minus 12 equals to 4. Equals to 4. And then if you bring over the 4 to the left, and we just switch this around, so c equals to 8 minus 4, which is 4. So we have got it. The equation of the curve is y equals to x squared minus 3x plus 4. There you have it. Thank you.